Okay, so if you watch the videos, I demonstrated how to enter stuff on your calculator if you have a Casio. So this is if you've got a Sharp calculator. If you have a no-name calculator, which is a make that isn't readily recognizable, I recommend you get a Casio or a Sharp calculator, scientific calculator, because they have all the functions that you require. So this is a wee quick video about entering scientific notation because it's slightly different on the Sharp calculator. So for instance, if we want to calculate this area, okay, this area here, pi r squared, is pi times 5 to the minus 3 squared. Okay, so we've got a pi button here, so press that, and multiplied by 5. Now, the proper way to put this in is press the EXP button, the EXP button, yeah. You get an E coming up, that's 5 to the power of. Don't be pressing this minus, put this minus, and to the minus 3, and we're going to square that, okay, equals, and you can see here that it is in normal number format. Now on a Casio calculator we've got an ENG key to put it into engineering mode, but you don't have that on a Sharp calculator. But don't worry, if you go into setup, so we've got this number here, we don't actually like that format, we want to put it into engineering format. We go into setup, and here we've got our number formats, so our settings, so we can set it into degrees, radians, and so on. Well, this is the one we're interested in, fixed scientific engineering. So it's telling us to press 1, and 2 is engineering, so press 2, and this is just the decimal places, so something like 5, okay. So here you can see we've got 78.5 times 10 to the minus 6, which is the same as 7.85 times 10 to the minus 5, okay. So if we want to calculate our shear stress, okay, our stress, direct stress, we're going to put this in. So clear the calculator up. We're still in engineering mode. You can see up at the top ENG, so just leave it in that setting. So 15,000, so 15,000 divided by 7.85 and the EXP button, and it's minus 5. Again, you have to use this button, don't use that one. So minus 5 equals, and we get 191.08 to the power of 6, which you can write down, okay, and that to the 6 is megapascals, okay, so that's 191 megapascals, so that's the answer there, okay. On this one, I'll show you how to put that in, so clear the calculator, so 0.45, and it's to the minus 3, so EXP minus 3, all divided by 0.5, okay, and we press the change button to get a decimal. Okay, so that's 900 to the power of minus 6, which is just the same as this, okay. You know, if we put that, if we change the setup into normal mode, so press 3, actually scientific mode, so setup, let me see, 1, scientific, 5 decimal places, 9 to the power of minus 4, okay, so same answer. And then if we want to do this one here, well, this is 191 with 6 zeros at the end, so a good way of doing that is 191 EXP6. So that's 191 to the power of 6 divided by 9 to the power of minus 4. So this minus and this 4 equals, and you can see here this is in normal format. So we want to change the engineering so that we can say gigapascals or whatever. So set up 1, engineering is 2, and decimal place as well, we'll stick 5 in. So here we can see 212.2 to the power of 9, or 212.2 gigapascals, which is what we get in our answer. Okay, so you just have to get a bit of practice at using your calculator properly, and if you don't do it the right way, you'll end up getting the wrong answer. So have a go at putting exponents in, even bring this up and do it in your calculator so you get the right answer, and check that you're able to change the number format in the setup. Hopefully that helps a little bit.